Wanted to give a shout out to David, who helps me with my LinkedIn lead generation. I've been working with David for a few months now, and it's been such an incredible experience. His system is keeping my calendar filled 2 weeks in advance, and I've even had to ask him to slow it down. What he's doing is creating a constant flow of new connections that feeds my business the right prospect that I'm looking for, and they're reaching out to me.
Shout out to David for helping us with lead generation. Hello, my name is Harsha Reddy. I'm the founder of Whitespace Group. We provide digital construction management services here in the US. We have been working with David for a month now, and we already landed our first client. That's just incredible. A little bit about our journey. We are into this niche where there was no proven lead generation model. However, because of David and his strategies, we landed our first client in just 2 weeks of signing him.
Shout out to David, who has been doing lead generation for my coaching business. We've been working together for the past 3 months, and I can honestly say he has been excellent by delivering quality leads to me. Before David, I used to have a hard time generating the right type of leads for my business. But now I can honestly say that each week I get 3 to 5 qualified leads booked on my calendar.
Shout out to my amazing business coach, David. I've been working with David now for about 3 months, and it has been the best experience. And full disclosure, I never would have thought I would have ever hired a business coach, and now I could not recommend working with David enough. And I actually just signed my first client last week, and looking forward to all the growth to come from this new system we've put together. And would I recommend David? Oh my gosh, 1,000,000% yes.
Shout out to David, who is my business coach. He is absolutely amazing at what he does. I just finished a call with David, and I've learned so much, just like every other call I have with him, what he's talking about. Before Rent Your Ride, we didn't implement all of the marketing strategies that David knew about. Once when we came in contact with David, we learned about these strategies, implemented them in our business right away, and we saw instant returns, which was absolutely amazing. Now, the great thing about these strategies is they're no cost or they're very low cost, and they are high return on investment. Huge. Ever since working with David, we've actually seen an increase of about 100% in our revenue, which is absolutely amazing. I can tell you that his stuff works, and he provides a ton of value. That's the biggest thing. David provides a ton of value. I am super excited to work with him in the future and continue to work with him. And I would recommend him to anyone or everyone that owns a business. He is a great asset to have for your business.
Hi there, my name is Jamie Willie, and I'm the owner of the Mint Marketing Experience. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to David, who's been my business coach for the past 4 months. He's exceptional at what he does, and I learn so much every time we meet. He knows what he's talking about and how to implement his strategies into my business. He's helped me clearly define structures and methods that I now use in my business, and I've seen immediate results. Ever since working with David, I've seen a huge increase in the connections and relationships that I have built with my clients, and in turn increased revenue because of that.
And what I really like about David is that whenever I have a question, he answers me within a few hours, sometimes in a few minutes, and he really ensures that I'm clear with the process. And that's what I love about him. It's really about me as his customer and not about him.
He goes above and beyond and provides amazing value. As a business owner, my time is valuable, and this is definitely worth the time spent to see the growth in my business. I would highly recommend David to anyone who owns a business.
If you're looking for someone to do lead generation for you for your coaching business or even your consulting business, David's your guy.